my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter na about our brother wey be social media presenter, the Oguname of social media, the late Oguname, Dr. Oguname, wey meme. So the burial arrangement don come o. The burial arrangement don come out. So the poster don come out. So my darling people, abeg, if you know say you fit attend the burial, may you go, because this our brother, he was a good man. I never see am for saga. I never see am say they do saga, except where in for the talk now when they see say they want bring our palace down. So you come shook mouth put. So now waiting in the always they do na be that one. You know they do saga. You know be saga memera more not they carry fake rumor they go again. Why it be say if you get quarrel with somebody for this social media, if something happen, they'll come and carry that credit for themselves saying that they meme the person. No, you not be you memera. You not memera. Now it's time, now it reach, now make it come out. You understand? So now God know why you go Nigeria, you can't go me for Nigeria. And God now know why. So my darling people, I beg. People where they are peace a person me, you will see die one day. That's what it just be. You not go live this life forever now. We can make life forever. You understand? I don't want to be the thing. I they see one Asian woman where they happy. Say Dr. Oguname make me, my dear. You no go live forever. That be one thing one and they understand. We can lag nothing. You see the matter so. That's what it be. So my darling people, if you know say you dey those states there, you dey you know the area, may you still go, may you go support this our brother, this Dr. Oguname. He was a good man when he dey alive. He was a good man. You understand? He was really a good man. So this meme when you see meme so, we will still give him the last respect. I mean the last respect in it. You understand? So my correct people, I go still put a video more see him. See the person when I talk about Dr. Oguname. I beg, Mona try, Mona still go the burial, Mona give him the last respect. The burial arrangements don't finally come out. I know say some of you not go want to do this video. When me they do so. And now when una don't see the videos, they don't bury am una want come blogger. But this one, the burial arrangement, una not go want talk am. No, I don't want to hear it tell that. So my darling people, I beg. This one the burial arrangement. Una try. If you know say you hate am, you don't like am. They know they do keep enmity for person wake meme. And this social media now see say yeah, you keep enmity with on my mobile wune. You be ale rune wo to ole ewi wuwa. And wow. I say you want to live this life forever. Nobody go live this life forever. Agboya, how I will one day. I say just be. Ekimado do agbona. Egega se ima wa be juwa. You understand that your hamus aloba when my live here life now. So na so it be. Na so it just be. You understand? So Dr. Oguname, may you so rest in perfect peace. God know why we be say you gone so soon. God now know why the thing happen like that. You understand? So we not go fit ask God why. I said no saloboa. You understand? So maybe not so God just sitting one time. May your soul rest in perfect peace. I pray for your family. May God give them the strength to fit bear the loss, especially your wife and your kids. May God give them the strength to take bear the loss, because it's not easy. So my darling people, I go put one of your video now. Mona see, I'm gonna still remember Dr. Oguname, rest in perfect peace. Bye.
I cannot hold my phone. I have to free my hands. Yeah, it's not good. I go. I don't feel all day my phone. I can't hold my phone. Mona pay money to person wey go dey hold my phone. I don't try to hold my phone myself. Yeah, we need person wey go dey hold the phone. Because of Oguname for his teaching, we must be free. Yes, Africa must be free. Yeah, so na so it be, you know. Na so it be. Tell do not badge. Obanyato, you know. So we they continue that, you know. So no problem. Many updates will come because this coming a project, not just the honorary visit, na project. So many updates will come, many things will follow up. Yes, I will go also the host like a seminar. Hey, Michael we are organizing a seminar for next month, J2. We are organizing a seminar for next month.
Okay.
Yes, self-awareness is the title of the seminar.
Do you have venue?
We have not secured venue yet, but maybe one of all these hotels here will use.
Okay.
Yeah, because we want to teach Edo youth self-awareness. That thing where they trigger their anger, where they make them the borrow get out body. We want to teach them the science of that thing, where they can know how to master them and control them and use it in a positive way.
Wow.
How will they complain of Fulani Esme where we get men where be say they fall out gallant warriors. So we activate their DNA, make them start to think straight.
Okay.
So we go announce them also, make people come. Yeah, and you forget to tell you since because we never print flyers. Everything get time. Everything get time. So that's so it be. It's inside. You can even take the wallet with you. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. No problem. I greet you all with peace and love. We're gonna give more updates. Yeah, we're gonna give more updates. All right. I send you peace. I send you love. Bye bye. Bye bye. We're also there with one MC. Yeah. If you introduce yourself.
Hello.